Welcome to a journey into the world of Asian beauty, where makeup becomes a canvas to enhance your unique features. In this tutorial, we're diving into the art of Asian beauty makeup, enhancing features. From highlighting your eyes to perfecting your skin, this guide is designed to celebrate and enhance your natural beauty. Asian beauty is known for its focus on subtlety, elegance, and harmony. We'll start with the eyes, exploring techniques that amplify their allure. Whether you're creating a natural everyday look or a glamorous evening ensemble, our step-by-step instructions will help you achieve eyes that captivate. Next, we delve into the intricacies of complexion makeup. Achieving a flawless base that retains your skin's natural radiance is at the heart of Asian beauty. We'll guide you through foundation application, highlighting, and contouring that complement your facial structure while letting your skin's luminosity shine through. Brows and lips take center stage as we explore methods to shape and define your brows to frame your face effortlessly. We'll also reveal the secrets to creating soft and sophisticated lip looks that balance your overall makeup style. Finally, we'll explore the art of blush application to create a healthy and youthful glow that harmonizes with your skin tone. Blending techniques will be your ally as you create a seamless transition between your makeup elements. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and skills to confidently master Asian beauty makeup, enhancing features. Prepare to unlock the secrets to creating a makeup look that is uniquely tailored to you, emphasizing your natural beauty while embracing the timeless elegance of Asian beauty traditions. Your journey into the world of enhanced features is about to begin.